you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2 of me and my husband's 14-day liquid fast. Now you guys, I want to tell you, me and my husband had a discussion today, and we came to the conclusion that we do want to do this, like we said, for 14 days liquid fast, but we're choosing to take one day out of the week, which is on a Saturday, to eat solid food. And then we'll get right back to our liquid fast. We decided to do that because I don't know, we just wanted to, and this is our thing. You know, this is what we're going to be doing to lose the weight and get to where we want to go. And like I said, this is our jump start. If we want to continue it, we will, but this is something that's going to work for us, and we're going to just give it a try. Well, we're going to give it a try and see if it works for us. If not, we'll go back to all liquid fast, you know, and just do what we need to do. But for now, we will be doing everyday liquids except for Saturday. We're going to take one day or whatever day we choose, but right now we're saying Saturday for these 2 weeks, just to eat solids. But yes, I just wanted to tell you guys that real quick. And also, like I told you yesterday in the video, I was going to show you guys what I ordered from Amazon yesterday, and it just came, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So let me show you. So you guys, this is one of the items that I ordered. I do love Poland Spring water. I usually just get single bottles, but I seen this on Amazon and I was like, okay, I'm going to get it. 12 bottles come in here of 90 milliliters a bottle. And yeah, I got this whole case. I may share with my husband, I don't know. But yeah, I got that, and let me show you what else we got as well. Okay, so I also ordered some, y'all know I love some Orgain, and I went ahead and ordered a whole 12 pack of the creamy chocolate fudge. They are 16 grams of grass-fed protein. Of course, they have organic fruits and veggies and 20 vitamins and minerals. I ordered that one, yes. Just get it good and chilled. It is so good. I also went ahead and ordered the oh, this thing's heavy. I also went ahead and ordered the Orgain strawberries and cream. Now, I do have the Premier protein strawberries and cream, which I'm not really a fan of it. I don't like it too much, but I got it anyway because, like I said, in the store I was at when I got them earlier, they didn't have much to choose from, so I did just grab it. But I want to try this one. I did not know that they had this flavor for Orgain, so I'm going to give this a try. It has in this box 3 packs of 4. You know, they come in like a 4-pack, so it's 3 of them in here. So that's like, well, 12 bottles. So yeah, I'm so excited to give this a try. I'm gonna put them, get that chilled and cold, and it's really, I'm sure it's really good as well. Okay, let's see what else. Now, this box right here is just some, I can get it out. This is just some Nutri-Grain bars that I just, I actually ordered this for my mom. It's not for me. And it comes in a 4-pack. You get this, you get 2 blueberries and 1 apple cinnamon. She do like Nutri-Grain. And I just say, hey, just let me order this for my mom while I'm on here, because I know she likes to take those to work. And also, you guys, I was so excited to see this right here. This little container I'm going to show you. I was so excited to see this because, you know, I love their powder. And you know, I don't know if you know, but now you know, I love this flavor. Peanut butter. Yes, yes. Do you see that? Do you see that? Peanut butter. And I can't wait to taste it. So I don't know if I'm gonna make me one tonight or I'm gonna just wait until tomorrow, but I'm just so excited to taste it. I know it's gonna be good. Add a banana, some almond milk, and I may add my you know, I like to add my cocoa, my chocolate cocoa. I may do that. But of course I'm going to let you guys know how it tastes. But it's 150 calories per 2 scoops, 21 grams of protein, 15 grams of carbs, dietary fiber 1 gram, sugar 1 gram. So yes, I love Orgain. I really do. And you all know, of course, I will be putting all of this information down in the description box. If you all would like to go and order or check it out or read what it's about for yourself, I will put it down in the description. I'll put a link down there for you. And the last thing that I had got was for my baby, which is some GoGo SqueeZ fruit on the go. She really likes these, so I said, you know, instead of eating candy and things like that, she do like to eat these. So they have different flavors. They have like apple banana, apple strawberry, they have cinnamon, and I think there was one with mango. Now, you know, I like mango, so I may have to try that for myself, but she really liked the apple, so I went ahead and got this for her, and I think it comes in a case of 18, so that'll be good for her for the month, probably more than that. So yeah, that's her snack. And I also have something else coming tomorrow for my son, just a little snack for him, which is some Doritos variety pack. They come tomorrow. It couldn't come out today, so ain't no need for me to show that. But yeah, so yeah, you guys, that's all that I got from Amazon that I wanted to show you all. I was just so excited when they brought it to me. Right now I'm hot and I'm about to drink my Poland water. You guys, I love this water. 100% natural spring water. So good. But anyway, you guys, yeah, that's day 2. Me and Marcus already had about 3 protein shakes today. Yeah, about 3 protein shakes. I've been drinking water. I had Jello. We had soup last night, which was really good, and I actually need to go and pick up some more because I got those just to try it out, just to see how we feel. But that was great. We drank that for dinner or whatever, so I'm going to go and get some more of those and get some more Jello. But other than that, I have everything that we need for the rest of the week, probably going into the next week. So I shouldn't have to go to the grocery store as much to get anything. I do need to get some juice, some Suja juice, if I'm saying it right. I do need to get those because I do like to drink that as well. And that's going to be it. So this concludes day 2. I did get on a scale this morning just to see how much I weigh, but I'm not going to tell you guys. I'm going to wait until day 7 to just add it all up. I was just curious to see what it said, but I did lose some weight. So yeah, that's going to end this video. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to follow us on this journey. And also comment down below and let me know, again, if you are on a liquid fast yourself, if you have done a liquid fast or thinking about it. Just let me know in the comments. And also, like I said, I'll put everything down in the description to the products that I have here on hand. Until next time, you guys, peace.